Did you know that proton pump inhibitors, that's acid suppressing medications like omeprazole and pantoprazole, are actually physiologically addicting? I didn't know it either, and I ended up on one for 8 years. In fact, 2 years into my journey with that medication, I was a medical student in a gastroenterology suite while a gastroenterologist was doing a scope of someone's stomach. And when he put the camera in this person's stomach, it was full of polyps. I'm not joking. Every surface of the stomach was covered in polyps, and I kind of gasped. I thought, oh my God, this patient has cancer. But the gastroenterologist just laughed and said, no, that's just a PPI stomach. Those are fundic gland polyps. So when you take a PPI, a proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole or pantoprazole, it blocks the proton pumps in your stomach that make acid. And when those pumps are blocked, your stomach says, hey, I need more acid, because the stomach actually needs acid. And so it starts ramping up the machinery to make more acid. And that leads to these polyps all over your stomach. It also means that when you stop that proton pump inhibitor, your acid production goes crazy because you have a ton of machinery and now it's all unblocked. And that's why these drugs become physiologically addicting. So I was able to get off of it. I had to do a deep research dive into it, how to do it, how to transition myself off the medication with other medications that then slowly tapered off. And I published the whole thing on how I did it in my podcast, The Dr. Kumar Discovery. It's my most recent episode on GERD. So if you have heartburn, have indigestion, you take proton pump inhibitors, you should definitely listen to this episode. Just search The Dr. Kumar Discovery on any major podcast platform and you'll find it there. Cheers.